So over here you can see that I have different layers together. So I can go around and bring in this and bring in this right here, and you can see that the red circle right here is on the top. And that is because of the layer arrangement that we have right here. If I want to have this particular circle behind these two objects right here, then what I can do is I can go around under position right here, and I can go around and click on down right here. Once you do that, what happens is that you can see that it goes down right here. It goes one step back. I can also go around and click on bottom, and it goes to the backmost area. Similarly, I can go around and select out this layer, go to position and click on forward to bring it to the topmost area. And that is how you can arrange out the layers. You can also go around over here on the left hand side, and then you can go around onto layers and then arrange out the layers from over here. So you can go around and click and drag the red object over here down, and that is what you have, as you can see. So this is the layer that I have right here. You can see that this is the red object. So I'm just going to go around and say orange object right here for this one, orange object. And for this one, I'm going to say red circle so that it is more distinguishable right here. So this is what I have, as you can see, and depending on the order of these particular layers right here, what happens is that their visibility changes as well. So the orange object is on the topmost area, red circle is in the center, and cube is at the bottom as per the arrangement right here. So I can go around and click and drag this up, click and drag this down to change out the arrangement according to how we want. As you can see, just like that. We can also go around over here and then let's say, for example, add in another layer right here, and then this is what we have. We can go around over here onto layers, and now we have another layer, as you can see right here, that we can go around and arrange out according to how you want. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe